Hello, dear students. I hope you are all fine and keeping good health. Business letter. In this particular audio presentation, I will discuss some of the important questions related with business letter so that you can get enough idea of how to solve a business letter. Question number 1. As the regional manager of a leading XYZ textile company, Mumbai, write a letter to the American textile company Madurai offering two of your products for bulk sale. So, from the very question only, you can get an idea that it is related with a commercial correspondence, isn't it? So, how to start? See, from the question only, you will get many information. See here, XYZ textile company, it is already mentioned in the question. See, so I have written here again XYZ textile company. Then you have to give an address. I have given 24 Parallel Road, Mumbai. Reference number you have to give, that I have already given. Then you have to give a date, as you can see here. Then you have to write the letter to the senior purchase manager. See, it is written the senior purchase manager, and of which company it is written, the American textile company, and where it is located. In the next line you can write it is located in Madurai. See, Madurai I have written. Then what you will do, one part of your format is done. You have already written the address. Now you have to start with the main letter. Sir, then subject, offer of products for bulk sale. And how will you proceed? See, we are one of the leading manufacturers of textile products in Western India, and our products are equally popular at home and abroad. So you have to actually say something very good about your business prospect and also the business that you did earlier. So here also you will say that yes, we are the leading manufacturers of textile products in Western India, and our products are very, very popular at home and abroad. We have received an inquiry from your branch office at Kanpur regarding terms for bulk purchase. So you will mention it there. Obviously, we got an inquiry from your branch office at Kanpur regarding terms for bulk purchase. So in respect to that, I am writing a letter to you. We wish to inform you that we grant 30% trade discount to commercial or bulk purchases on an order for not less than 1 lakh at a time. So for 1 lakh at a time, it is 30% trade discount is given. These things you have to write it properly, very tactfully you have to write it, because this is not a personal letter, this is actually a business letter. As I already told you previously, the interaction will be based entirely on commercial purpose. So for 1 lakh, 30% trade discount is given by your organization or by your factory, or rather to say by your textile company. So now let's continue. We allow further discount of 5% to buyers whose orders exceed 5 lakh per year. Now this is another particular option been given, that if 5% discount is given if the orders exceed 5 lakh per year. Now this is another option that you will mention regarding the discount. Now after writing about all these things, about the prospects and what you expect from the company that wanted a bulk purchase from you, finally you will end it. So one more paragraph is needed. Our latest price list and illustrated catalog along with specimen of textiles are enclosed for your kind perusal and approval. So I am sending our illustrated catalog, and also I am sending some samples for you so that you can approve it. And finally you are closing your business letter by writing an early response will be appreciated, followed by yours sincerely. Then you can write a name, as I have written here, A.G. George, and sales manager is the post or designation. So that ends this letter, dear students. Now I am moving on to another one. Question number 2. See, it is written as the sales manager of MS Universal Book Supplies, 26 Ansari Road, Daryaganj, New Delhi. Write a letter to the librarian of Scindia School, Gwalior, offering information regarding the sale of dictionaries and illustrated children's encyclopedias. So it is related with academics. Basically, it is related with sale of dictionaries and encyclopedias. So how will you start? You know the process by now. Everything from the left hand side. See, Universal Book Suppliers, 26 Ansari Road, Daryaganj, New Delhi. Telephone number, you can give an imaginary one as I have given here. Reference number, you have to put one just like I have given, as you can see here also. Your reference number you can give separately, then followed by date and a year, then obviously the librarian, Scindia School, Gwalior, then you write sir. So these are the format, step by step you have to do it. Subject is sale of dictionaries and encyclopedias. Now how to proceed? You have already done with the format. Now you have to write down the body. We thank you for your letter dated 5th May, then a year you will mention, and are happy to furnish you the following information. We stock dictionaries and encyclopedias published by Indian as well as foreign publishers. So we have a huge stock of dictionaries published by Indian as well as foreign publishers. We have books suitable for all age groups of school going children. As desired by you, we are enclosing our latest catalog. We are giving our latest catalog so that you can select from here. It contains all the informations you need. We shall offer you 15% discount given to educational institutions on this category of books. One thing, you have to set up a business deal, dear students. So you have to write about the discount percentage as been explained by me in the previous question also. Here also the discount percentage is very important. 15% discount is given to the educational institutions on the category of books. This one you will have to mention. We need 2 weeks time to make delivery of the order. We accept payment by demand draft only. That one also you will mention the mode of payment. It is by demand draft. It should be payable at New Delhi. Not only that, it should be payable at New Delhi. I hope our terms will meet your approval and we will receive your order soon. And I guess that whatever proposal we have furnished, or rather I have furnished in this particular letter on behalf of the organization of United Books Suppliers. So I guess it will be well appreciated by you and we will soon receive a good news from your side. So yours faithfully, finally you will mention your name as like I have mentioned here, S. Ravindran. And what are you? You are actually the sales manager. So dear students, in this way you have to write a business letter. Now I want to move on to one more question. This is another important one. See the question. You are the librarian of Amla Public School. You have placed an order for textbook with Dhanpati and Sons. Since the books did not arrive on time, you have decided to cancel the order. Since the books haven't arrived on time, so what you have decided? You have decided to cancel the order. Write a letter to the manager Dhanpati and Sons, Chennai, cancelling the order. So you want to cancel the order because the products haven't reached to you right on time. So that is the reason you don't want to linger around. So how will you proceed? Similarly, the format, the librarian, Amla Public School, Chennai, then a date and a year should be mentioned, then manager, Dhanpati and Sons, Chennai, dear sir, subject order of textbooks. Kindly arrange the supply at your earliest, the books for our school at the rates approved for the year, then you mention a year. The details of the books are as follows. Which books you wanted? That details of the books you can write in numbering way, like mathematics, class 12, KC Sisodia 50 copies, English class 10 J.K. Randhawa 50 copies. English grammar class 12 K.P. Thakur 50 copies. These are the books. It must be ensured that latest editions of books are being supplied. Before supplying the books, it must be checked that each book is of the latest edition. Payment will be released only after the approval by the principal. Payment will be released when the principal will approve it. Otherwise, if the books are given late, or if we receive the books late, then obviously order will be cancelled. So that one obviously is in the question. So in this way you have to do it. This is another example. I am moving to one more example now, dear students. See this. This is about hotel accommodation and facilities. Very interesting topic. See, this summer vacation you are planning to visit Shimla. Write a letter to a travel agency in Shimla requesting them to book your room in a 5-star hotel. Give other details of your journey and facilities you require there. Sign your name as Leela or Mohan, C5 Assam. So you will find like this type of question also. So how will you start? You know by this time. C5 Assam, then a date, then the manager, then which travel agency you have to make out of your mind. A travel agency like here Globe Travel Agency, the mall Shimla. Then obviously as the format goes, you will write dear sir, then subject. Subject is regarding hotel accommodation and other facilities. Now you have to write the main thing. And I told you that to the point you have to write. So see, here it is written, I am planning to visit Shimla during the summer vacation. I intend to reach there on 16th May by the IC30N flight and stay there for a week. So you are reaching there on flight. Flight number you have mentioned IC308, and you want to stay in Shimla for at least a week. You are requested to book a deluxe bed, double bedroom in a 5-star hotel. So you are saying to the manager that you are writing to the manager that you need a deluxe double bedroom in a 5-star hotel. As I will be accompanied by my friend, since you are accompanied with your friend, so you need a deluxe double bedroom in a 5-star hotel. I shall also need a chauffeur driven car to take us in and around Shimla. For travel or to see the sightseeing in Shimla, you need a chauffeur or a driver who will actually accommodate you and your friend to all the various tourist attractive places in Shimla. That one also you will mention in that particular letter, because you want the travel agency members or the manager of the Globe Travel Agency to arrange it for you. Please make these facilities available for a week, that is from 16th May to 22nd May. Then a year you will mention, as you know by this time. Then obviously business transactions, so money matters and discount will come. So here you see it is written, a bank draft of rupees 5,000 is enclosed as advance. I am giving a bank draft of 5,000 rupees in advance so that you can start the process. The later on, when I will reach your hotel, I will pay you the remaining part of my money along with my friend. That is your plan. So you are giving an advance of 5,000 rupees. Please confirm the booking so that the remaining amount may be sent to you. Yours faithfully, Mohan. And you are suggesting to the manager of the Globe Travel Agency that please confirm the bookings and so that the remaining amount may be sent to you. Yours faithfully. Then finally you write Mohan, because it is written in the question. You can sign the name either by Leela or Mohan, so you are signing it by Mohan. So this is another way you can form. Another topic I discussed related with business letters. So dear students, 4 important topics I have discussed. I request every one of you, please listen to this audio lecture very carefully, and if there is any doubt, please let me know regarding that. Thank you students. Thank you all.